Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your AirPods Pro 3 are paired and awake. Put them in your ears so the sensors register them. Once connected, unlock your iPhone and open Control Center for quick access. This is faster than digging through settings. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and the AirPods show as the output device at the top of the audio card. If they don't appear, flip the case lid near your phone and wait for the connection animation to complete. You can change volume several ways. The quickest is the Control Center audio slider. Drag it left or right while your AirPods are selected. If you prefer voice, say, "Hey Siri," set volume to 50%, and it responds instantly. Siri works even hands-free. Apple Watch users can use the digital crown while audio plays to fine-tune. Remember that the AirPods Pro 3 force sensor controls play, pause, and noise modes. It does not adjust volume, so use device controls or Siri instead. You finish by playing a short clip and watching the volume indicator on your device to confirm levels. Adjust until it sounds right. If one app is quiet, check its internal volume slider because app and system volumes can differ. If audio doesn't change or one bud is silent, reset the AirPods. Place them in the case, hold the back button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white, and repair. That usually fixes stubborn connection or volume issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.